supporters. As I told you, I welcome everyone. Whether you are a experienced or you are a fresher coming to learn something. I welcome everyone. I really appreciate the people who has shown interest to learn something. Because in the day-to-day basis, they are busy. They will not be able to focus on the new innovatives, new rules and regulations, new changes. Of course, these are coming in the form of circulars. But where is the time? So this kind of programs can also help people, even including new strategies. Even many people give the feedback to me like that. So though we are into the business, but even your 10% information is enough to grow my business to multiple levels. That's the kind of feedback we are getting. So now tell me, how many ever connected to at least one point? The chat box 1 or 2 or 3? Can advocate do? Technically cannot do, sir, but people are doing. Even High Court judges also doing. I know. Many of my clients are there.